To fit the Trifix, simply follow these steps. Locate the ISOFIX anchorage points in the car, and if there are no insert guides, fit the plastic guides supplied with the seat. Pull the grey fabric loop at the back of the seat until both locking arms are fully extended and you hear a click. Remove the top tether from the pocket and lay it over the front of the seat. Turn the seat around and line up the locking arms with the ISOFIX anchorage points in the car. Holding the seat with both hands, slide the locking arms firmly onto the anchorage points until they are engaged on both sides and you hear them click. Both ISOFIX indicators should be completely green. Push the seat back fully into place. Holding the seat, check that it is firm and secure. Take the top tether over to the back of the vehicle seat and attach the snap hook to the top tether anchorage point recommended in your vehicle handbook. With the tether attached, pull the slack through until the tension indicator turns green. Finally, check the installation is correct by holding onto the harness, making sure it is firm and secure. When in use, place your child's arms through the shoulder straps and bring the two buckle tongues together so that they interlock. Fasten the two buckle tongues firmly into the buckle until you hear a click. Adjust the shoulder straps, ensuring that there are no twists, and pull the harness tight with the adjuster strap. Double check that the harness is tightened enough so that you can fit no more than 2 fingers underneath. This will ensure your child is comfortable and secure.